level it out, land, and roll away like a boss. How to master your ollies. Okay, I want to make the most comprehensive ollie tutorial I've ever made. Let's give this a shot so you, yes you, can learn how to do an ollie. Practice step number 1. So your first step on the ollie, and we are going to break this down into every single practice step under the sun, moon, and stars. Your first practice step is to practice simply popping the board. Before you even get there, we're going to get your foot position in place. Front foot is right there, just down from those bolts. And you want to have it sort of flat on the board with your toe just a little bit off, because this part of your foot right here is going to be dragging up the grip tape right there. So you want to have it centered right there, just so it goes right in between those bolts. Super important. Now your back foot is on the tail, perched like that, with the ball of your foot. Because the secret to this is that the ball of your foot is going to push down, and then you're going to be jumping off of the ball of your foot, just like that. The actual motion looks a little bit like this, with my ankle down, and then the board pops, and then it flies up into the air. Bada boom, bada bing. So the first practice step, which you could do a lot of, is this. Just simply step down, pop it up, bend your knees. Step down, pop it up, bend your knees. And do this a lot. The point of these practice steps are not to understand the trick. They're to literally drill in the muscle memory, so your muscles then begin to learn. Your muscles after a little while will know, oh, I know how to do an ollie, because we did the practice step a million times. Now we're moving on to practice step number 2. Okay, so now practice step number 2, you have your foot on the board just like that, and you're gonna focus this on your knee. Right here, your knee is gonna go forward, which is going to drag this part of your shoe right there up this board. Boom. And you want to drag your foot far enough to where you're making a line on the board and you hit the nose. It's important you drag it far enough and hit the nose right there. But look, keep the focus in on the knee so you guys can see I'm pushing it forward, and then because the resistance here, I'm gonna hit the board, and then my knee is gonna go forward and up just naturally because it's hitting that nose, just like that. Forward, up, forward, up, forward, up. The whole idea here is that you're drilling the motion into your muscles, building the muscle memory, so then you can then put it together and do the trick. So that's, to recap, practice step 1 and practice step 2. Okay, now practice step 3. All you're doing from this step forward is getting the timing down between 1, 2. It's not 1, 2, it's 1 and then 2. Not immediately after, but just a split second after. Okay, so 1, 2. So now we're gonna do that together, which is gonna look like this. 1, 2. Whoa! And remember the focus on the knee. Knee, push forward. Pop down, knee, push forward. And you do have to jump with your back foot. Whenever I don't say jump with your back foot, people get upset. Leave it in the comments below. So pop, and you're jumping, and then 1 and then 2. 1, 2. Again, it's all about the timing. 1 and then 2. And when you first start, your ollie is gonna look probably something like this. And that's fine. The key to the ollie is that all 4 wheels get off the ground. If all 4 wheels get off the ground, you did an ollie very well done. So look, you're gonna pop it down, your front foot is gonna drag. This drag is what creates the lift up, and then you have to lift your front foot. So pop, drag, lift your back foot, and your front foot also is lifting. When you get into the air, you can push that front foot forward, but when you're very first starting, you should just ollie like this. Just pop it up and just let it go down. And the second all 4 wheels get off the ground, you've done it. Boom, down, boom, down. Now the next step from there is you're gonna drag the front foot up and push it forward, which is gonna level the board out in the air like that. And that's gonna give you more height. So now you're dragging up and pushing forward, boom. It's the exact same motion with the knee, and you're just gonna be extending your foot a little bit further. Drag it up, push it forward. So I'm gonna show you the difference between those two. Like beginner ollie, which is very good. If you get that, it's very good. You did the ollie very well done. And now from there, we're gonna go more advanced. You're gonna master this ollie. Up and forward. I'll show you the difference is like beginner ollie, like this. Now you're gonna do a more advanced ollie, level it out in the air. So it's pop it up, drag your front foot, push it forward like this. Boom. You really want that motion. Once you have that up in the air and you're popping it forward, you want to make sure you're bending your knees. Never land with your knees straight. Keep your knees bent at all times. You always want to land like that. So pop it up, push forward, land with the knees bent, roll away. You got the ollie. You just mastered something new. So you're going to start by learning this on flat. You can start by putting your wheels in a crack, and you can start there. That will help. And then the next step to mastering your ollies is to doing them while rolling. So I'm gonna give you some tips on that, and then we're gonna take it forward to even more and more advanced ollie tricks. So start out with just a little bit of speed, tiny amount of speed. And I always go like, pick a spot, like that crack right there. I'm just gonna pretend I'm jumping over something. I'm not, but I'm just gonna pretend that I am, and it's gonna be that crack. So you're gonna have your eyes on the line the whole time, roll up, bend down, pop the ollie. You already learned how to ollie on flat. Now you just do it with a little bit of speed, and then a little more speed, and then a little more speed. You might see the theme that we have in all of skateboarding is your practice building muscle memory. The muscle memory goes in, you learn the tricks. You can do them without thinking, you can do them without looking, because your muscles learned it. It's not even in your brain, it's in your muscles. To the line, watch it with your eyes, bend down, pop it up. Okay, so once you have the ollie moving, you're ollieing over a crack. Now we're gonna put an obstacle there. I happen to have this tripod, so we're gonna put that down. We're gonna practice our ollies over the tripod. So same thing applies. You roll up, you're watching the obstacle, you bend down, pop, and ollie. Now from there, you're basically just working on watching the obstacle, getting your eyesight there, popping, and putting all the earlier steps together. We're gonna give you something a little bit bigger to ollie over, the classic, a skateboard, just like so. I'll do beginner ollie first. See, it's funny, you don't need to go high, you don't need to have a huge ollie, it just has to have correct timing. Now, we'll do an advanced ollie. Boned ollie, we'll level it out here. So timing, watch the obstacle, bend down, pop it. So next, we're gonna take this board, we're gonna make it a little higher. We're gonna put it that way. So go beginner ollie first. Now the next step from here is we're gonna pop it and we're gonna level it out. So right up to it, watch the obstacle the whole time, level it out.